Hi and welcome to our channel with a new video. Among all the universal laws, the law of attraction is the most fascinating and the most misunderstood law at the same time. Fascinating, because as humans, we naturally want a tool to help create the life of our dreams, and the law of attraction can definitely help us to do that. Misunderstood because, unlike any other tool that we can pull out and use whenever we want, the law of attraction is operating in our lives continuously and independently, whether we are consciously aware of it, or believe in it, or not. By the end of the video you will understand the clear picture behind the law of attraction. So, stay tuned for next couple of minutes. Before moving forward, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. In other words, there is no need to initiate the law of attraction, it is already at work in your life and always will be. So as long as you are alive and breathing, the law of attraction is at work. This is wonderful news. You are already using the law of attraction to create everything in your life, whether you are aware of it or not. The results that you are experiencing right now, including your career, finances, relationships, health and so on, are a direct result of the law of attraction in the form of thoughts and feelings. If you're not creating the kind of life you want, chances are you are creating by default, allowing the law of attraction to bring you more and more of the same. Unfortunately, there was no life manual handed over to us at our birth, and our parents were not aware of the law of attraction, and so there was no chance of learning and understanding the law. In order to understand the law of attraction to its core, you first need to understand another powerful law called the law of vibration. Law of vibration. In simple terms, as per the law of vibration, everything is made of energy and has a unique frequency or vibration. With the arrival of powerful technology, science now agreed upon the concept. Quantum physicists have shown that, although matter may appear to be solid when you look at it through a high-powered microscope, it is mostly empty space scattered with energy. To put in different words, at the quantum level, everything you see is made up of energy and empty space. Your creation in the form of thoughts also has distinct vibrations which affect or blend with your overall vibration. In turn, your vibrations touch everything around you. Your environment, the people, animals including the lifeless objects affects you. That is the reason when you walk into a room where there was an earlier argument, you can sense it. We often use terms like bad vibes, you can feel the tension, and you could cut the air in here with a knife to describe such feelings. In each case, what we are referring to is the energy impressions of the earlier occupants. Similarly, you may have gone to someone's home, office or business where, as soon as you entered, you felt the good vibes that filled the place. That's because, over time, a place is filled with the energy imprints of the dominant vibrations of the people who live or work there. So, a home, for example, can literally become filled with anger or sadness or love or tension or anger or sadness or with any other emotion, and that home will feel that way to a guest even if none of the occupants are at home at the time. If you've ever entered such a place, you may even have noticed how you just happy and felt good in response to the good vibes around you. Of course, the extent to which you take on the vibrations of the people and things around you is up to you, but for most people, it is not a conscious decision. So, you are transmitting vibrations every second of your day. You are also simultaneously receiving and interpreting the vibrations of everything and everyone around you. If we use the example of television, you are both a television transmitter, beaming out your own unique station, and also a television set or receiver, able to tune in to all the stations or frequencies being broadcast around you. Most of the time we refer to these incoming vibrations as intuition or gut feelings. So how do you know your vibration at any given moment? Simple, just ask yourself how you are feeling at this very moment. Your emotions are a quick and convenient guide to your vibration at any moment. If you feel loving, you are vibrating at the frequency of love. If you feel angry, you are vibrating at the frequency of anger, and so on. You are also using the law of attraction, bringing to yourself more experiences that will match your current vibration. So, if you are feeling angry, the law of attraction will bring to you more experiences that will match the feeling of anger. You will attract angry people and find yourself in the middle of angry circumstances. To sum up, you are sending out vibrations every moment of your day. Those vibrations are a mix of your thoughts and feelings, and they affect everything around you. At the same time, you are also receiving and interpreting the vibrations of everything surrounding you. Now that we understand vibration, let's look at how it cooperates with the law of attraction. The law of attraction, in simple terms, means energy attracts like energy. You might have heard it articulated as like attracts like, and even thoughts become things. The law of attraction is at work in your life every moment of your day. Your vibrations are regularly being broadcast to, and received by the universe. This activates the law of attraction, which then matches your vibrations and attracts to your similar vibrations in the form of people, things and situations in your life. In other words, you are always creating your life with your thoughts and feelings. The circumstances in your life, whether they are what you want or not, are always a match to your dominant vibrations. The law of attraction, like any other universal law, operates whether you are aware of it or not, or believe it or not. So, the question becomes, if your life is not how you would wish it to be, how do you change it? And the most common answer you will find most of the places just changes your thoughts. Simple, yes, but not easy. Here's why. Somewhere between 94 to 98% of all thoughts are subconscious, and only 2 to 6% of your thoughts are ever conscious of the thoughts which you are aware of. So, even if you succeeded in changing all of your conscious thoughts to be positive, that still leaves a lot of subconscious thought, at least some of which would be negative, vibrating in the background without you even being aware of it. If you're having trouble creating what you want in life, chances are your subconscious mind is on a different vibration. Do you want to turn your mind into an abundance magnet? If yes, then check out the link in the description box below to learn how to magically manifest anything you desire. If you find this video useful, please press the like button and share it with your friends. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon and you will be notified when putting out a new video. Thanks for watching it.